Michael Kinay. Ball is up and we are underway. South Cotabato will get the first crack. And Mark Cruz, good to see him healthy. Pajarito lays it in for 2. Pajarito has missed the...
give up maybe at least 4 fouls on a struggling Justin Baltasar. And that night,
full speed ahead. Hayes kicks it out to Kawamura. Down low, Madayag, easy 2.
Everybody caught ball watching instead of communicating.
Hoson with the rebound. Acuna. Larry Rodriguez, top of the key, and he knocks it down. He had a couple of threes as well.
He did, yeah, that's why.
Against Pampanga.
He reminds me of, at this point of his career, he reminds me of Al Horford. As Marvin Hayes, another much improved three-point shooter because of a stop defensively. At gusto ng mga coaches yun. Touchdown for Hoson.
Nag-reach in pa si Caliano.
So si Mark Cruz, who finished with 9 points and 10 assists in that game.
I don't think Enzo Hoson is good for just 5 shots in that game.
Oh, definitely.
Kawamura. Bigay kay Marvin Hayes. Si Pajarito nakabantay. No problem para kay Marvin Hayes. 7 points.
The veteran who still looks like in his late 20s. Kondisyon yung katawan, no? Batak na batak.
Acuna. Ito batak din. Bal Acuna. Kawamura.
I bet the first mandatory ni Val Acuna sa kanyang players, lahat kayo kailangan may shooting. Kailangan ma-develop yung shooting. Pero tulad nito, transition. Why they were in the thick of things until that third quarter where Pampanga exploded for 30 points. And was able to create an 8-point lead and then eventually win by 8. As Marvin Hayes continues to...
Marvin Hayes for 3. Cruz with a rebound. Bullet pass to Enzo Hoson.
Yeah, this is the advantage of Enzo Hoson. Eventually, tulad ng mga nakikita natin all throughout the season, Alves, fake handoff. Parang yung idol mo, Draymond Green. Mr. Warrior.
Actually, Larry Rodriguez, the shooter.
Tignan mo. Well, we all know he
gets it back. Diputado. Alves providing the pick. Alves, the push shot is good. Ganda ng pasensya ng interesting here for South Cotabato. Yung 4 nilang guardia sa rotation nila. No, as Nico Ilorde launches and hits the 3.
Well, that's a nice play because it was a pin down and
Mark Cruz is a point guard. Ilorde is a point guard. Calvo is a point guard.
Right. Pero mukhang
little details. Christian Luanzon, yun yung laging binabatay ng mga coaches natin. 10 of 18 for South Cotabato. Sarangani, 8 of 19. And
Mira ni Kyle.
Calvo, bank shot para kay Jammer Hamito. Sunga tries to drive against Tolentino.
Nice. Move by Sunga and step through. Binuksan yung depensa. Ito si Tolentino.
Tolentino inside. He misses. Put back kay Jammer Hamito. Using some contact there to get some separation to Mapig. Rises and puts it in for 2. Namamagana yung lamang dito ng South Cotabato.
Rebound, hindi mo nakuha.
Calvo. Ganda ng teamwork galing sa South Cotabato.
Very important offensively that you read where the tag is coming from because you can find the open spots inside, especially if your teammates know where you are. Tulad doon, Dumapik, alam na alam kung nasan si Hamito.
Caliano.
Or vice versa.
Yeah. Caliano inside. He gets the bounce.
See how Hamito is running the floor.
With 4 points in the ball game. Tolentino down low to Hamito. Dumapig. Calvo. Tolentino. Long 2 is good. Tolentino. One dribble pull-up is good para kay Kyle Tolentino. Quick 4 points.
Remember, siguro isa o dalawa lang at most yung pinilit niya ron eh. It was just a tough night for him offensively. But the shot selection, from what I remember, it was there.
Yeah.
Right? That's why. Okay.
South Cotabato up by 12 here. Elorde gives it up to Calvo.
Pero nagustuhan mo yun Nagustuhan mo yun.
Nagustuhan ko yung pasa. Yung 3 points si JP Calvo. It's really good to see him back here in the MPBL.
Right.
Nakita na cover natin to, Nabotas pa lang eh.
Totoo.
And Nabotas has not been in the league for, 3 seasons now?
Nga eh. Di ba doon dati rin si Marwin Taiwan, as you see, Tolentino, top of the K3.
Quick hands there by Calvo. JP Calvo misses the left-handed scoop. Delmar Mahaling with the stick back.
Jed Madayag did his job. Baka nagpalit ng citizenship from Japanese to Filipino, as you see a 3-point play coming up for South Cotabato.
Sorry, Zach. Swings it over to Val Acuna. Acuna down low to Pacquiao. Mahaling with a finger roll. Guys, halftime score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL.
Hayes leads all scorer with 12. Pero yung mga sumunod sa kanya, 4-2, 4-2. Kaya ganyan naging kalamangan. And Larry Rodriguez opens up the second half.
Ball game.
Dalawa lang yan si Dev. Either makabalik ito sa Sarangani o papasok na tayo sa episode 4
ng ating
podcast. Pressure defense from the backcourt.
54-39. Pajarito. Oh, good pass. Inside, Larry Rodriguez. Great quick passing. A little over 7 minutes remaining here. Caliano, layup is good. Hoson leaking out. Enzo Hoson, mintis ang layup. Pajarito on the stick back. In the third, Mark Cruz, corner 3 is good.
Especially as a point guard, he really looks to look for his teammates, especially at the start of the game.
Yeah, Ryan, so did you see that shot? Nakaano na siya, nakatagilid na siya.
Bumawas mga average yan eh. First 2.5 months, nasa 20 points per game yan. Tama ba?
Oo. Christian Pajarito. Rodriguez, also touch pass. Oh, great passing. And if you're Coach John, you...
Except for one blue shirt defending the fast break.
Sunga inside. Basket plus the foul para kay Lars Sunga. Jammer Hamito. Excellent game so far para kay Jammer. Mark Cruz nails the 3.
Papasa mo rin pala, hindi mo pa inagahan. Inantay mo pa yung double team.
Dumapig inside, he banks it in.
Elvis, to both of them really, how they are handling this.
Tomar Madayag! Sabi niya, from way downtown to beat the shot clock, Acuna.
Babawiin.
Tolentino gets the putback. Okay.
Brings us back. Tolentino right on cue. Pito. And because ang hirap, I cannot imagine being in... If I were in this situation, I would probably put more pressure on my son to perform. Although this is not really an exact similar situation. That's why people are interested to see, no matter what you say, as Calvo hits a 3.
Tying the South Cotabato output of 26 points as Zach San Felipe with a left-handed scoop by Dumapig.
And I think the jerseys, as soon as he was drafted, the next day or that week.
Diputado. Two-man game with Hayes. Hayes attacks. Madayag. Basket plus the foul. Right. Go to Hayes. Atake si Marvin Hayes. He's done a tremendous job here for Sarangani. Marvin Hayes. They're still down by 17.
I think that 19 again.
Ano kaya ang lamang dito ng South Cotabato kung wala pa si Marvin Hayes? Celso gathers. Celso banks it in. Good pass there for Madayag. Maylan takes that jumper. It's good.
Narinig ka.
Dire-diretso si Sorella. Basket plus the foul.
Literal.
Oh,
Yung overtime.
Kada session.
Okay.
Kada 5 minutes.
Okay.
Ryan Sual knocks down the 3. 30 points pa rin ang lamang dito. Haling to relieve the pressure. Mahaling gets it back. Layup won't go. And Pacquiao nakuha, put back 3 points para kay Rene Pacquiao. And 4 na minuto na lang yung natitira dito. Sual from way out. Yes! Ryan Sual did not play in the first half, but Madayag to destacamento.
It's a 2-game separation dahil nasa likod nila si Binyan Tatakjen, no? At 13-8. Paranaque Patriots at 13-9 for Iloilo mamaya.
Yep, that's true. 95-80 ang ating final score.
Possibly the biggest upset if they could pull it off dito sa Pampanga.
That is the final score. It is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball lending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending, GameX. Let's go to